Imagine stepping out your back door into a world of calm, where the gentle breeze finds its way through the mesh. Birdsong mingles with laughter, and worries melt into the background. A screened porch offers more than protection from pesky bugs. It's an oasis, a personal retreat where the best parts of indoor and outdoor living come together in perfect harmony. Whether you crave lazy weekend mornings with coffee and a novel, spirited evening gatherings with friends, or a cozy space for quiet reflection, a screened porch can be transformed into your dream sanctuary. Designing your ultimate oasis is within reach. Here's how you can bring it to life. Begin by envisioning how you'll use your screened porch. Will it be a sheltered sunroom for savoring gentle morning light? A space for entertaining guests with outdoor dinners, even when the weather doesn't cooperate? Or maybe it's a quiet nook all your own, lush with greenery and soft music playing in the background. Defining your intentions helps you choose the design elements that matter most, setting the tone for everything that follows. Start with the foundation, the flooring. Consider materials that bridge comfort and durability. Hardwood decking provides rustic charm and a cozy feel underfoot, while composite flooring is low maintenance and resists weathering. You might even opt for porcelain tiles for a sleek, modern look that's easy to clean. Rugs can layer warmth and texture. Opt for outdoor-friendly fabrics that shrug off moisture and stains while adding softness. Next, turn your attention to the screens themselves. Modern technology offers screens that minimize glare, enhance privacy, and even block harmful UV rays. For serene evenings and sun-kissed afternoons alike, high-quality screens ensure your porch remains comfortable, inviting, and protected. If you wish to blur the line between indoor and outdoor living, consider floor-to-ceiling screens or retractable panels that invite the outdoors in, all while keeping insects firmly outside. Furnishings play a starring role in transforming your porch into an oasis. Choose pieces that embody relaxation and invite lingering, deep-cushioned sofas, woven wicker chairs with overstuffed pillows, or a hanging daybed for midday naps. Opt for weather-resistant materials to ensure longevity without sacrificing style. Arrange your seating with conversation in mind, encouraging guests and family to gather, share stories, and make memories. A porch oasis thrives on ambiance. Lighting sets the mood, shaping your space as the day unfolds into evening. Hang string lights along the ceiling for a twinkling glow, or add lanterns and candles for a soft, intimate atmosphere. Overhead fans with built-in lights provide both illumination and a cooling breeze on warm summer nights. Task lighting can highlight a reading corner or dining area, ensuring every nook is welcoming and functional. No oasis is complete without nature's touch. Embrace the beauty of the outdoors by incorporating verdant greenery and blooming flowers. Hanging ferns, potted palms, and vibrant flowers infuse your screened porch with color, texture, and a breath of fresh air. Vertical garden walls or trellises can transform blank spaces into living works of art, inviting butterflies and songbirds to visit while maintaining a peaceful retreat. Comfort is key, so don't overlook the finer details. Pile fluffy throws and floral cushions high for extra coziness on chilly nights or lazy afternoons. Add a weatherproof outdoor rug that ties the room together and offers a soft landing for bare feet. Consider side tables for drinks and snacks, and perhaps a coffee table for board games or casual meals. Small touches, like a basket for blankets, a stack of favorite books, or a decorative tray for serving lemonade, make the space uniquely yours. For those who want to enjoy their oasis year-round, heating and cooling solutions can extend the seasons. Electric or propane heaters keep the chill at bay during crisp autumn evenings, while ceiling fans keep reclining guests cool during the height of summer. Some porches even feature fireplaces or wood stoves. Imagine savoring marshmallows and cocoa around the flickering flames, safe from the wind and rain outside. Personalization breathes life into your oasis. Tap into your creativity with artful decor. Hang weather-resistant artwork, display sculptural candle holders, or arrange a collection of interesting vases. Accents that reflect your style and personality make the space feel inviting and truly your own. You might even display mementos from travels or handmade crafts, providing conversation starters and cherished reminders. Maximize the utility of your sanctuary by considering built-in features. A long bench seat with hidden storage can house cozy blankets or extra cushions, keeping clutter at bay. Built-in planters bring bursts of green without sacrificing valuable floor space. Screened porches can become multi-purpose masterpieces. Your new yoga studio at sunrise, a peaceful home office during the workday, or a lively game room as the sun sets. Sound is another dimension of comfort. Subtle speakers can play your favorite playlists or soothing nature sounds, while the natural serenade of crickets, birds, and the wind through the trees provides its own soothing backdrop. Outdoor curtains add both beauty and function, swaying gently as they provide extra privacy or shade when needed. On cool evenings, close them for a cocoon-like feeling. In daylight, pull them back and let the sunshine flood your retreat. Throughout each season, your screened porch becomes the gateway to nature. Enjoy blooming spring mornings, the lushness of summer, crisp fall colors, and even the quiet hush of snowfall, all from the warmth and protection of your sanctuary. Plant window boxes or hang baskets along the railings, changing the display as seasons evolve. Add a touch of whimsical charm, perhaps a wind chime, a cozy hammock chair, or a rustic sign with a welcoming message. Your porch oasis, above all, is a reflection of your dreams. It's the spot where children play board games as the rain pours outside, where candlelit dinners unfold under the stars, where lazy afternoons drift away with coffee and conversation. It's where simple pleasures are savored, where every detail is curated for comfort, joy, and connection. Creating your dream-screened porch oasis is not a distant fantasy. It's an achievable project, tailored entirely to your ideas of comfort and beauty. With careful attention to space, style, and function, each element comes together, transforming an ordinary porch into a haven that draws you outside again and again. Begin today, and step into a retreat that is all your own. A place to relax, recharge, and celebrate life's moments, both big and small.